All right, let's take a closer look at Oxford Engineering College in Tiruchirappalli. Their TNEA code, for those of you tracking, is 3813. So if you and your family are looking at engineering options around Trichy, this is for you. We're going to break down the key facts about Oxford Engineering College. It's been around since 1998, so it's definitely a well-known name in the area.
Okay, first things first, let's get into the basics, who they are and where they're located.
Now, this is the kind of stuff every parent wants to see. It's a self-financing college affiliated to AICTE University Chennai. And here's the really important part for admissions. It's a co-ed college and the seats are split. 65% come through the government's TNEA counseling and the other 35% are through the management quota. You know that's a really crucial piece of information when you're planning your whole admission approach.
You know, one of the big plus points here is the location. It's just 3 kilometers from the central bus stand and the railway junction in Trichy. That's a huge deal, right? It makes getting to and from campus super convenient, whether you're a local student or coming in from out of town.
All right, let's dig into the background a bit. We're talking about the college's founding and, very importantly, its official approvals. These are things you absolutely have to check.
So, the story starts back in 1998. The college was established by engineer M. Subramaniam under the KSM Educational Trust. A few years later, in 2001, they got affiliated to AICTE University, Chennai, and that's the university they've been with ever since.
And this was their mission right from the get-go, to provide a value-based education and really shape students into capable, professional engineers of the future.
Okay, this is a big one, especially for those of you planning for 2026 admissions. Pay close attention. The college has active approval from the AICTE for the academic year 2025-26. Honestly, checking for current AICTE approval is something you just have to do. It's non-negotiable. So now that we've confirmed their official status, let's get to the good stuff, the actual BE programs they offer. So in total, we're looking at 420 undergraduate seats up for grabs. Now the question is, how do those seats break down across the different branches? And here's the answer. They offer 6 BE programs. You've got computer science and IT leading the pack with 90 seats each. Then you have the core engineering branches, civil, ECE, EEE, and mechanical, and they all have an intake of 60 seats.
Okay, moving on to campus life. Let's talk about the practical stuff. You know, the facilities that really matter day to day, like hostels and transport.
So here's what you need to know. Yes, they have separate hostels for boys and for girls. The mess serves both veg and non-veg food, which is great. And if you're a day scholar, they do have a college bus service available. And just to circle back on that connectivity point, being so close to the Tiruchirappalli Junction railway station and the central bus stand, well, it just makes getting around so much easier for everyone. All right, let's talk about something really important, scholarships. What kind of financial aid options are available here?
Well, because it's an affiliated college, students might be able to get a few different government scholarships. You've got the SC/ST tuition fee scholarship, the one for BC/MBC/DNC students, and of course the first graduate scholarship. On top of that, there are central government schemes like the Minority Scholarship and the Post-Matric Scholarship for OBC students. Now, for any of these, it's super important that you check your eligibility directly with the college administration.
Just so we're clear, all the information we've shared today comes straight from the college's official records and trusted government portals, and it was all current at the time we put this together. To explore more engineering colleges, head over to profsam.com. It's your true source for making those big decisions, from 12th standard to engineering.